In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can sort horizontally in Excel. So here we have some data starting with the name of maybe the employee, their ID number, the salary they make, and how many years they've worked with the business or company. All right, so what we want to do is we want to sort alphabetically by name. Now, in order to sort horizontally, we can't just add a filter because typically a filter will sort vertically. So what you need to do is select the data that you want to sort. It's important to remember that you don't want to select the headings. You just want to select the data that will be sorted. And then you go up to the data ribbon or the data tab and select sort. It'll bring up this pop-up menu. Now the first thing you need to do is go over to options and then select sort left to right since we're sorting horizontally. Then hit OK. And then in this sort by, if you hit this drop down arrow, it'll ask you which row you want it to sort by. In this case, we want it to be row 1 because we want it to sort alphabetically by name. So we'll go ahead and hit row 1. And then over here, you can select Z to A or A to Z. In this case, we want it to be alphabetical. So we'll hit A to Z and then hit OK. And then you'll notice that that will sort this data alphabetically by name. Now, say we wanted to sort by tenure, all right? So we want the person with the lowest tenure here and the highest tenure down here. So we'll again select our data, making sure to exclude the headers. We'll go ahead and hit sort. Go to options, make sure it's sort to left is selected. And then we want to sort by row 4 in this case. And we'll want it to be smallest to largest. And then we'll go ahead and hit OK. And that will sort the tenure from smallest to largest. And there you have it. That's how you can sort horizontally with an Excel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe and don't forget to like the video before you go. That really helps me out a ton. Thank you and just have a great rest of your day.